Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I just picked this up from Nordstrom and I thought you may be interested. This is a little cutie by Longchamp. If that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the Le Pliage extra leather coin pouch. I was really excited to see this and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. So it does come in this little dust bag. Longchamp is a French brand and I'm a huge fan. If you've been watching my channel, you know this about me. But when I saw this, I knew I had to grab it. So here it is leather. And if you know about Longchamp, you know they have the most soft, supple leather. They do use Russian cowhide leather and it is so nice. So this little cutie has the Longchamp button there and the horse and jockey embossed right there on the top. So really cute size. Here it says Longchamp, and then it has the absolutely most beautiful Longchamp key zipper pull here. It is beautiful. Looks like gunmetal hardware there. And it has this nice little wrist strap. Really love that. So cute. I did pick this up from Nordstrom and it currently retails for $165. And I just thought, you know what? I really need this in my life. Add this to my collection. The dimensions of this little cutie, 3 inches by 3 inches and 2 inches in the depth of this little bag. So really cute. Love that it is 100% Russian cowhide leather. Really pretty. Love the zipper pull and that you can use it as a little wristlet here. And that is really cute. Well, let's go ahead and see what fits inside this little cutie. Let's see what this little cutie looks like inside. Has a nice zipper, and then inside you'll just see the Longchamp logo throughout the lining there. So really cute bag. So obviously you could use this as a little catch-all inside your bag and just pull out this little cutie if you wanted to just run into the store just like that. You could easily do that. And just have your bare essentials in here, or it could be your super adorable bag. So here we have my car key, fits in there, no problem. I'm also gonna add a card, fits in there, no problem, some cash. Let's go ahead and add a little Gucci Flora perfume, as well as some gum and a lipstick. So and there we have it. Fits all the bare essentials and there's plenty more room. It's actually quite surprising how Longchamp products always look small, but they fit so much. You could put plenty more items in here. Full-size lipstick would fit seamlessly, and it's just a really good size little pouch. What do you guys think of this little leather coin purse? I think this is such an adorable little coin pouch by Longchamp. Longchamp always does their bags super well made, super thought out, super practical and usable, and somewhat, and I would say affordable at $165 for genuine leather. Could easily use this as your everyday bag. If you don't carry a lot with you, you just like to run into the store and not carry all the things, this is ideal. This is a really cute bag. So I'd love to hear your thoughts of what you think of this little cutie down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe so I could see you in my next video. And until next time, bye guys.